Welcome to our 3 Healthy Bitters. As you can see, I've got this box, but the reason why it is like this is because I already opened it, and I'm holding it this way because I don't want my information sorry, excuse me, I don't want to show my address. I'm sorry, excuse me. So I already opened it as well, so I'll show you what I have inside. Okay, as you can see, I've got relaxing tea. I hope nothing is showing. Let me remove this piece of paper. And I have something else, and I've also got this. All right, let's put this over here. Yep. So as we all know, Father's Day is coming up, and I wanted to get some stuff and think about what I could do at home because we can't go out, we can't do anything. So I will start with this one. So I have this oil, essential oil. I think it's called Eucalyptus Oil, or was it peppermint? Eucalyptus Oil. So I have this oil. Got this from Amazon. And what I'm thinking to use with this, oh guys, they really seal this one. This is 100% eucalyptus oil. Okay, yeah, it's not the peppermint. Okay, yeah, can you see it? This is 100% essential oil. Let's see where this is made. I can't see. I can't see that, but anyways, I got this, and what I'm thinking is to do something maybe like a massage or a pedicure or something like that for Father's Day, because I actually, that's what I went for school for. The last thing I studied in the UK was beauty therapist, the massage route, level 3. So I am qualified to do facial massage, stone massage, electrical massage. I can't remember that one. So I got this oil. I'm thinking to do something between a pedicure or what was I saying? Between a pedicure or like a Swedish massage, something along that for Father's Day. Yeah, and maybe if I decide to do a pedicure within that time, you could have, well, you know what, to be honest, yeah, this is for me, but I will share this one. This is for my husband, and the third one, but we share things with each other. So while I'm doing a pedicure, if I decide to do a pedicure, I'm not sure, or a Swedish massage, but if it's a pedicure, while he's getting his foot pedicure, you could have a nice cup of tea. Look, relaxing, right? Promotes calmness, relieves stress, relax stress, sorry, and tension. This is a herbal tea. Yeah, so I got this. Yep, but this really and truly, this is for me, but we could share it. Father's Day is coming up, and this, whoa, this bad boy, whoa, look at this. This is Sunfood Superfood Organic Golden Milk. Okay, it's got turmeric, maca powder, goji berry, cinnamon, and the list goes on and on right here. This is for him. I'm going to make a shake, a smoothie for him. And I'm going to use this powder. Yeah. So just these 3 items I wanted to show you. what I've got, but most of these two, this oil, essential oil, and this superfood powder, golden milk, is for him. Yep. So I'm excited. I will definitely have some of this as well. All right, so the golden milk, you could use this instead of regular milk. This is also vegan, gluten-free. I've had this before. I've had this before with, I think I used it in, what did I make? I made some tea and I added like 2 tablespoons of this powder. I won't let this I'm talking about vinegar, sorry. I won't let this video be any longer. Okay. This is the good stuff. This is what I'm talking about. I love getting stuff like this. Look, sodium is saying 3.5, but on this side it's saying 0%. Protein, look at that protein, 25 gram. It's got calcium in it. Look, cholesterol, look, nothing, 0. Okay. So it's got featuring superfood and herbs. Okay. It's mildly sweet taste and can be served warm or cold. And it's got the turmeric in there. Simple stir into almond or coconut milk and let it go to work. Hey. I'm excited for little stuff like this, you know. Yeah. Alright then, so thank you for watching, and I will leave the link in the description again for this golden milk, superfood, and this essential oil, and what else is there? And this one, okay? Thank you for watching. Please share, like, comment. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.